Bawat TechVoc graduate, world class. Yan po ang tatak TESDA. Ikaw ba ay isa sa kanila? Ikwento mo naman sa amin ang iyong storya.
Let's make this fleeting moment last.
Hello viewers, I'm Judy J.P. Mugan from Subaan, Bohol. I'm 24 years old and I'm a high school graduate. The story of my success begins when I enrolled Commercial Cooking NC2 at Asian Divine Light College under Training for Work Scholarship Program last November 11, 2012 until January 25, 2013. After I graduated, Asian Divine Light College recommended me to participate in skills competition food carving category during 10th TESDA anniversary, and gladly I won as a champion. I decided to apply in a different establishment, hindi po ako pinalad, until the local government unit of ANDA called me for a job and I took it. Kung hindi pa ako naka-avail ng TESDA scholarship through Asian Divine Light College, malamang tambay na pa rin ako o wala ako ngayong trabaho. And now, I am a chef cook at Kinali Beach Bar here in Nanda. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon na ibinigay niyo sa akin. Dahil sa inyo, binago niyo ang estado ng buhay ko. Ako, si Judy J.P. Mugan, TechVoc graduate. Ako po si Judy J.P. Mugan, tatak TESDA. Salamat.